Okay, so this is the introduction to numerical solutions and with matrix algebra. So numerical solutions involves the study of methods of computing numerical data. So implies producing a sequence of approximations by repeating the procedure again and again. So numerical methods or numerical solutions is a lengthy process, but is somewhat easy if you are not prone to making mistakes. So if you make a mistake in a single step, then most likely your answer will be wrong. So issues to consider: rate of convergence. Rate of convergence means the accuracy or the rate of which your answer your solution comes closer to the answer. If it doesn't converge, then it means it diverges, meaning that your solution nagapalayo sa dapat na answer mga na. So ato iwasan ang divergence. Ito ang dapat i-aim ang convergence. So accuracy of the answer is also an issue to consider because there are a lot of approximations in this numerical solution method. So therefore, there are most likely errors in the answer. Then next is completeness of the response. So the characteristics of the numerical solutions. First is solution procedure is iterative. So, balik-balik, balik-balik, balik-balik. Hantod sa makuha nimo ang kung magbalik-balik na ganun ang answer. For example, nagabalik-balik ka og steps, nagalahi pa ang answer, nagalahi pa. Kung magbalik-balik na ang answer, sabot ana, doon na kay ka sa imong gina-aim na answer. So, diyan na ka mag-stop. Mag-ana ang iterative. Now, next is provides only an approximation to the true but unknown solution. Then may require an initial estimate. So initial estimate is the value you estimate before starting to proceed with this procedure, which is the iterative procedure. So we need to have initial value first or estimate. So conceptually, simple with the provision of algorithms. So simple lang siya, pero talaga ingon ako na kung mamali ka, sipiat ka sa isa ka part sa imong taas kay na solution. Daw dyan sa mali imong final answer. So ano lang bantayan. So may occasionally diverge from rather than converge to the true solution. So mo ni atong iwasan, we should have a solution that converges to the answer. Okay, so advantages of numerical solutions. So extremely powerful problem-solving tools capable of handling large systems of equations, complicated geometries, etc. that are often impossible to solve analytically. So example, there are DE problems that are very hard or almost impossible to solve using the analytical analytical method. Analytical method mo na itong familiar ka na murag na siya form na baga mo na ang always ito ginagamit. So from calculus 1 up to DE. Ang numerical, di ba? Iterations mo balik na na steps. So mo ang kalayan nila sa numerical o sa analytical. So kung atuang balik ka sa DE na example na ko na dili siya ma-solve gamit ang analytical, basig ma-solve siya gamit ang numerical solutions. So na yung mga applications or yung advantages. Ano yun? Okay, so proceed na ta sa introduction to matrices or matrix. So matrix is an array of numbers organized into rows and columns. Example is this. Matrix A is this matrix, which is an array of numbers. So kami mo yung array of numbers organized by rows and columns. So rows ni dire pa na ang horizontal, columns ang pababa. So example A or matrix A is a 2 by 3 matrix because we have two rows by three columns. So kani ang atuang two rows. So mo na yung first row 1, mo na yung second row 2. Then mo na yung first column, second column, and third column. Then inani ato ang pagkapos kay dapat man R by column ang atong pag organize sa or pag order sa matrix. So dapat una ang row by column. Dili pwede na column by row. So mali na dapat row by column ang atuang pagbasa. Example kani A sub 1 1. So A sub 1 1. Tanawan ni so A sub RC. So R is 1 here, then C is 1. So therefore A sub 1 1 is the row is found in the uh, first row of the matrix, and then also the first column of the matrix. So therefore A sub 1 1 is 2. Another example, A 2 sub 2 2. So A sub 2 2 is found in the second row. So 2 man ang R dira, second row, then second column. So this is R sub 2 2. So is 3. Another example, A sub uh, 3. A sub 1 3. A sub 1 3 is found in the first row, then also found in the third column. So this is A sub 1 3. Negative 4. So naalala siya pag specify kung asa siya lapit sa uh, matrix. So very simple lang. So next is the addition of matrices. So prerequisite matrices must be equal in size. So for example, we're going to add A plus B. So A plus B. Therefore, dapat for example, ang atuang A is 4 by 2 matrix. Dapat ang atuang B is 4 by 2 matrix para ma-add siya. Pag dili gani equal ang both the matrices, so dili siya pwede ma-add. For example, this is our matrix A, which is a 2 by 2 matrix. And then B is a 2 by also a 2 by 2 matrix. So this can be added. So by adding that, so A plus this one A plus B is just equal to 2 plus 7. So same lang siya og locations ang imong plus. Kaya ni 3 plus 4 kani 5 plus negative 3 kani then negative 4 plus 5 kani. So the answer for this is just 2 plus 7 is 9, then 3 plus 4 is 7, 5 plus negative 3 is 2, then negative 4 plus 5 is 1. So this is A plus B. Next is subtraction of matrices. So balik ta. So, ang addition and subtraction, isa-isa lang siya ka examples, kay isa naman siya. As long as equal ang sizes sa duha ka imong i-add, dali na siya i-add. Okay? So, dili no matter kung sa kada ko yung sizes, basta like equal lang sizes. Okay, so subtraction of matrices, uh, same with addition, it should have equal matrices should have equal sizes. So, bayad ka sa example na A o kaning B. So, subtraction na lang. A minus B is equals to 2 minus 7, which is this one. Then 3 minus 4, this one. 5 minus negative 3 is this one. Negative 4 minus 5 is this one. So the expected answer is negative 5 minus 1. 5 minus negative 3 is just 8. So 5 plus 3. Negative 4 minus 5 is negative 9. So this is the answer. Okay, next is for the multiplication of matrices. So we start with a very easy one. So, kasi sulat ang A, 2, 5. Let's say, for example, we have our original matrix A. Then we plan to multiply a constant 4 here. So this is just going to be 4A is equals to 4 will be distributed to the to all the elements involved in the matrix. So 4 times 2, 4 times 5, 4 times 3, 4 times negative 4. Let's say, for example, we have so we have a 3 by, for example, we have a 3 by 2 matrix. So we happen to, for example, ang B na siya, or D, whatever. For example, we are going to multiply 3, so dapat distribute ang 3, distribute ang 3 diri, distribute ang 3, distribute ang 3, distribute ang 3, and then distribute ang 3 diri. So na lang ka simple. Pag constant na itong i-multiply. Okay, so the answer is this. So 4 times 2 is 8, 4 times 5, 20, 4 times 3, 12, 4 times negative 4 is negative 16. Okay, so this is now the part where we multiply two different matrices. Hindi lang constant. So prerequisite is the columns of the first matrix must be equal to the rows in the second matrix. So the columns of the first matrix must be equal to the rows in the second matrix. Next is the order. The order of the matrix is the size, if the row size of the first matrix by the column size of the second matrix. So later, ito na explain. For example, say we want to multiply A by B. So before we multiply a matrix, we need to determine its size. So A is a 1 by 3 matrix because one row only and then 3 columns. B is a 3 by 1 matrix because 3 rows and 1 column. Now, we must read the prerequisite again. So the columns of the first matrix must be equal to the rows of the second matrix in order for us to multiply these two matrices. So the column of the first matrix is 3, and then the rows in the second matrix is also 3. So therefore, we can multiply A by B. Okay, and then the order of the matrix. So okay na, satisfied na. So the order of the matrix is the row size. Row size is this of the first matrix, which is A, by the column size of the second matrix, which is this one. So basically, A times B will have 1, I'm sorry. So we'll have a 1 by 1 matrix. Meaning, isa lang ka number ang nasulod niya. Kuha kay row size man. So 1 man ang row size niya. Ang column size kay 1 po. So therefore 1 by 1 ang product sa AB. Okay. So what if what if we are going to multiply B A? We're going to find the value of BA. So B here is kani, di ba? So mo na yung B. So B is a 3 by 1 matrix and then A is a 1 by 3 matrix. So this is once again possible to multiply the two matrices because B has a column of 1 and then A has a column of a row of 1. So therefore pwede siya i-multiply. So, confirm na. And then the order of this is 3 by 3 by 3 matrix. So, so di ba, ang order is the row size of the first matrix. So the first matrix is now B instead of A, B. So kani row. So 3. So 3 by the column size of the second matrix which is A now. So 3. So 3 by 3 yang value. So therefore by this we can say that A B is not equal with B A. So dili siya pwede mabalik-balik. So AB is a 1 by 1 matrix and then BA is a 3 by 3 matrix. So diya pa lang. Diya siya equal. Okay, so AB mo ni nani ang tabo. Yan ang BA, nani ang may tabo. So ang method sa pag-multiply of matrices is always going to be rows times column. For example, we have here 1 by 3. So pareha ganyan. And then 3 by 1. So this can be multiplied. Solution is this. AB 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 is equal to di ba rows times column. So row ani times column. So row times column. So 2 times 3 is 2 times 3. Then plus na po na ako, plus na po plus 5 times 4 na po, which is 5 times 4. Then plus na po 6 times negative 5. 6. So simplify this. We have 6 plus 20 minus 30. So the answer for this is 6 plus 20 is 26 minus 30, negative minus 30 is negative 4. 4. So AB is equals to this matrix. So di ba ang AB so 1 by 1 matrix. So what are 1 by 1 matrix itong nakuha na answer. So this is the answer. So wala. Okay? Okay, so proceed to sa next example. So balik tayo, always going to be rows times column. So example A is equals to same Japan. Ay, same Japan. Okay. So ato ang pangitawan nila is B times A. Sa B times A. So same na po na 1 by 3 ni. Then kanina 3 by 1. Okay? Okay, so we're going to find for BA. BA, remember rows times column. So kanina po ta, dire na po ta mo sugod. So row ani B man atong i-consider na first na matrix. So then column ani. Kumbaga 3 so ani na. So, di ba, 3 by 3 man siya na matrix. Kaya 3 of 3 man ang kaya. Natay 3 by 3. So, ang first is 3 times 3 times 2. 3 times 2. Okay, 3 times 2. Tapos, row times column, row times column. Row na po times column. 3 times 5. 3 times 6. 3 times 6. Next is, kanina po, 4 times 2. 4 times 2. 4 times 5. And 4 times 6. Then for the last row is negative 5. Negative 5 times 2. Negative 5 times 5. Negative 5 times 6. So the answer for this is just 3 times 2 is 6. This is 18. This is 18. Second row, 8. 20. 20, 24. Negative 10. Negative 25. Then negative 30. So this is the answer. Negative 6. Okay, tama. So mo na yung answer. So BA is this matrix. So as you can see, 3 by 3 siya na matrix. So tama din answer. Okay, so for the last example of multiplication of matrices, you have to find AB. So A is a 2 by 3 matrix, two columns, two rows, 3 columns. B is a 3 by 4 matrix. So this is 3 and this is also 3. Therefore, we can multiply these two matrices. Again, its expected order is 2 by 4. So AB is equal to a 2 by 4 matrix. Okay, so let's continue. So A times B is equals to, so we are going to expect a 2 by 3, 2 by 4 matrix. So, di ba, row ang una, then sunod ang columns. Kaning column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4. The next na po, common aning first column niya, first row niya, kaning tanan column diri ah. Dili na mo second row niya, tanan na po column diri ah. Alam. Then, sago na siya sa product o addition. Okay? First is 1 times 1, 1 times 5 is 5. 5. 4 times 3 is plus 12.
Sige, start na.
Then negative 2 times negative 2 is plus 4. Then 1 times 2 is 2 plus 4 times 6 is 24. Negative 2 times 9 is negative 18. Then 1 times 8 is 8. 4 times 4 is 16. Negative 2 times 7 is 14. Negative 14. Then last, 1 times negative 1 is negative 1. 4 times 5 is 20. Negative 2 times negative 3 is plus 6. So, next na po na row. So, 3 times 5 is 15. Plus 5 times 3 is 15. times plus negative 6 times negative 2 is is 12. Galit. Sunod kay 3 times 2 is 6. 5 times 6 is 30. Negative 6 times 9 is negative 54. Next 3 times 8 is 24. 5 times 4 is 20. 16 siya. Negative 6 times 7 is negative 42. Okay, so 3 times negative 3 is negative 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. 5 times 5 25. Negative 6 times negative 3 is positive 18. Okay, so kanin dito sugod ako ang i-escape. So 5 plus 12 plus 4 is 21. 21. And kani 2 plus 8. Kani kay 10. Then kani kay 25. Second row, last row, 30 plus 14, 42. 6 plus 30 is negative 18. Then 24 plus 20 is 44 minus 42 is 2. This is ilang niya negative 40. So AB equal to this.